Have you guys been playing the Monopoly Go game and don't know how to change your Facebook account on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook account in the Monopoly Go app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Monopoly Go just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Then here you can find three lines at the top right corner, just right here. Now select it. After that, here you can find the settings option. Now select it. Then tap on to manage account just right here. Now here you can find the Facebook just right here. Now to change your Facebook account, simply disconnect this one, tap on it and tap on to disconnect. And you can see you have been disconnected. Now to add another Facebook account, simply tap on to sync just right here and tap on to continue. Now make sure you have added another Facebook account on your Facebook profile, and after that simply tap on to continue just right here. And now you can see you have added another Facebook account. And that's it. This is how you can change your Facebook account in the Monopoly Go game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.